Hello everyone, welcome to Buyer Advisor, the best product review channel on YouTube. To make this video, our experts reviewed 100 plus products and picked only the best items for you. All products are available on Amazon. Discount lovers can check below in the description for special product links. So let's get started.
Our number one choice is Mabogu Electric Spin Scrubber. Mabogu Electric Spin Scrubber is powerful and rapid, removing stubborn stains and grime with ease. The shower scrubber for cleaning has two speeds, 300 RPM low speed for fully cleaning stains and unclean areas, and 350 RPM high speed for improved deep cleaning effectiveness. With the floor scrubber machine's detachable extension rod, you can easily clean high and difficult to reach spots. Clean at 90 degrees, 120 degrees, 150 degrees, 180 degrees angles with the adjustable angle feature, which can accommodate any cleaning activity. The cordless electric cleaning brush comes with 8 replacement brush heads. Brush heads are interchangeable and appropriate for all surfaces. For big areas, use the flat brush, the round brush for curved surfaces, and the corner brush for narrow spots. The anti-scratch feature guarantees that fragile surfaces are cleaned gently and safely without leaving any stains. Ideal for eliminating difficult stains and grime from floors, walls, and other surfaces both indoors and out. You are free to make your own decisions. The high-quality dome brush is excellent for bathtubs, tiles, and walls. The large flat brush is ideal for floors and staircases. The small flat brush is ideal for counters, sinks, or toilets, and the corner brush is ideal for tile grout, edges, corners, and tight spots. As a result, you may freely and quickly clean those hard-to-reach regions without kneeling or stooping over. There will be no more backbreaking effort, and no dirt will be left behind. In addition, the integrated hanging hook makes storing easier. When not in use, just hang the object with the hook. Our second best electric spin scrubber is Bomb's Electric Spin Scrubber. The electric spin scrubber makes use of cutting-edge semiconductor technology. Battery capacity of up to 5,000 mAh is available. The battery charges in 3 to 4 hours and can last up to 90 minutes on a full charge. You can easily alter the length by spinning and pushing out the handle. You can also swap out the handle and extension rod. Without having to bend down or kneel, you can simply clean every area of the house. Saving time and effort by caring for the waist and joints, being friendly to the elderly and persons with waist difficulties. The electric spin scrubber has a strong protection design and a waterproof grade of IPX5. It can be used in humid conditions and cleaned by dipping the brush head in water. Shower bathrooms, bathtubs, stone tile floors, grout, and grooves are all simple to clean. While the electric scrubbing brush for cleaning should not be submerged fully in water, it can withstand splashes. It is suitable for usage both inside and outside. In addition, the brush head should be cleaned separately. Furthermore, to get a better cleaning result, apply the detergents to the spots before cleaning with the spin scrubber. Flat brush for washing tile floors, walls, and pools, corner brush for cleaning grout, faucets, and edges, cloth brush for cleaning hardwood floors and furniture, and sponge for cleaning windows. You may also use those heads to polish and wax your car. Third pick in our list is 2U Electric Spin Scrubber. The improved electric spin scrubber cordless eliminates the problems presented by standard cleaning instruments. It can be utilized almost everywhere. This spin scrubber is incredibly lightweight and easy to pick up and use to clean surfaces without tiring, cutting your work time from an hour to 30 minutes. The internal motor drives the revolving brush head to rotate at a high speed of up to 420 RPM 10%, allowing you to easily clean the entire house. When used in conjunction with a cleaning product, it can swiftly clean stubborn stains and make the entire house seem new. Perfect for bathrooms, bathtubs, stone tile floors, grout, grooves, toilets, and so forth. The 2U electric spin scrubber comes with 4 cleaning heads, including a hard flat brush for big surfaces, a corner brush for curved areas, a small flat brush for precision work, and a pointy brush for gaps. The electric shower scrubber has a stainless steel handle that may be extended. The handle can be easily extended from 26 to 45 inches, allowing you to clean hard-to-reach areas without crouching or leaning over. You'll never run out of juice with the latest USB-C rapid charge technology and battery level display function. After only 3 hours of fast charging, it can provide 90 minutes of long-term work. This shower scrubber eliminates the need for time-consuming household cleaning by allowing you to vary the length of the spin scrubber from 12 inches to 54 inches, allowing you to clean hard-to-reach areas without bending or kneeling. By saying goodbye to the usual clean technique, you can save your back and knees. Number 4 in our side is Fern Electric Spin Scrubber. The Fern Electric Spin Scrubber is 25 watts more powerful than the 7 watts to 14 watts version, and more powerful means cleaner. There are 2 power speed modes, 400 R per minute and 300 R per minute. With detergent or cleanser, the electric scrubber is ideal for deep cleaning tough stains and grouts. When you press down hard on the brush, it does not stop. The updated adjustable length version can be used in both the bathroom and the kitchen. The powerful long handle is 55 inches long, which is longer than any other cleaning brush on the market. The short handle is 43 inches long, which is better than any electric spin scrubber on the market, and the 9.8-inch single handle is very flexible for handhold cleaning. Throw out typical cleaning procedures. The cleaning equipment reduces cleaning time from 1 hour to 15 minutes. The 7 replaceable brush heads are specially intended for the bathroom and kitchen's nooks and crannies. The electric scrubber set comes with 8 replaceable brush heads for cleaning the shower, bathroom, bathtub, tile floor, stovetop, automobile wheels, room floor, windows and other areas. Meet your cleaning requirements. The bathroom scrubber's length may be modified, with a maximum extended length of 43.3 inches. Remove the rod as well so that you can clean your bathtub, tile floor, and ceiling with a 12-inch portable electric cleaning brush scrubber. Number 5 in our top 5 best electric spin scrubber list is Helfer Electric Spin Scrubber. Unlike other electric spin scrubbers that have only one speed and limited power, the Helfer Electric Spin Scrubber has 2 adjustable spin speeds and can clean soap scum, grout, or tough stains in a matter of minutes. Long press to convert to 380 RPM mode for deep cleaning. Click once to pick the low speed of 300 RPM mode for daily cleaning. The Helfer Shower Spin Scrubber comes with 4 removable brushes: dome brushes for cleaning the bathtub and toilet, large flat brushes for cleaning showers and floors, small flat brushes for precise work, and corner brushes for cleaning baseboards, door frames, and tiles with deep grout. Each brush can reach deep into a corner to effectively remove grout and stains. Bending down to clean has proven excruciating for many with damaged backs or weak knees. The shower cleaning brush can be extended to 3 different lengths, eliminating the need to bend over or kneel to scrub the tub and floors. Jorking Power Scrubber has an LED digital display that shows battery usage, rotating speed, and child lock. What's more, the electric cleaning brush features a voice broadcast function that reminds you of the electric scrubber brush's present functioning state. The wirelessly charged cleaning brushes, along with 3 different cleaning brushes, can assist you in cleaning a variety of somewhat difficult to clean corners. You can expand it, in particular, to clean higher places. You simply need to charge it once, and then you may use it for 8 hours. Before using the electric cleaning brush, moisten the object to be cleaned, then apply the detergent to the surface of the brush and begin cleaning. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.